Okay everybody, in this first demo I'm going to simply show you how you can claim your web space on the university server and how you can prepare that space to start uploading your content. So you might not have known, but all of you already have web space designated for you on the University of Utah server. So first, let's talk about where that web space is and how you can go about claiming that web space. So I'm switching over to my browser here, and I'm going to show you how you get to your web space on the university server. So if you go to home.utah.edu / and then the tilde sign, which is top left on your keyboard, and then your UID number. So enter whatever your UID number is and then hit enter, and it will take you to your web space. But as you can see in this case, there's nothing there. If you haven't claimed your web space yet, and if you haven't put any content on your web space, then you won't see anything here. You'll just get an error message. But that URL pattern is the general pattern that you will use to find your web space. So again, it's http://home.utah.edu / and then your UID. Okay, so how do we set up our web space so that we can start uploading content and displaying it on the internet? Well, we're going to switch to an FTP application, which FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. And it's a type of application that's going to allow us to get our web space set up and is going to allow us eventually, once we have some content, to put that web space or to put that content on our web space. So I already have FileZilla, which is an FTP client, open on my computer, and you can find this application on your computer in the computer lab by just going to your start menu at the bottom left and choosing programs, and you will see FileZilla in the list of programs there. So just go ahead and open up that program. If you're working on your home machine, FileZilla is actually a free open source application that you can download from the internet and install on any of your machines, whether it's a Mac or PC or even Linux. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to enter the host address in this box right here. So you want to enter sftp:// and then home.utah.edu. In the next box, put your username, which is your UID. So I'll enter mine now. And then your password, so whatever your university password is. Okay, and you don't have to hit anything for port, and then just click Quick Connect. You might get a little message here that asks if you want to trust this server. Say yes, you do. And so now, as you can see, I am connected to my web space. So I can see my local machine right here. These are files that are on my computer, on my local computer. All of these files over here and folders are files and folders that are on the internet, that are on the server at the University of Utah. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to create a new file here, and I want to call it public_HTML and hit OK. And now what will happen in the future is all of my files that I upload to the server I will put in this folder called public.html, and this is then what will hold my content that will be displayed on the web. But at this point you don't have any content to put on the web. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to create a quick and simple web page using an application called Aptana, which we will use extensively throughout this course, and then we'll upload it to your web space so that you can see what it then looks like on the internet.